All right, let's get started. This video will do a little bit about if condition, right? So let me type that if condition learning. So got that. So get right to it. Let's take a variable, something like that. Explain to you guys. Three else. Okay, just simple example, guys. It's quite self-explanatory, but just to give you a context and explain the syntax. So you have a variable. We are learning if conditions. We are having a variable, let's say x equal to 3. The way the syntax goes, if the condition happens, if x is greater than 3, you have this, and then you have a colon, and then all the statements come under a indent, or you can see only one statement here, but basically if x is greater than 3, then there is a colon, and then this statement is executed. In this case, x happens to be 3, so which means the else, and then therefore you print x is less than or equal to 3. Simple if condition. Uh, the thing you see the syntax in Python, the bracket, um, and more than that, the colon. The colon is important, and the statements are grouped together. You can see the indexing. If and else, the same indentation, and then these two prints indented the same way. So simple example of if condition and else condition. You have other variants, of course. If, uh, elif, you have multiple if conditions, nested ones, just like other languages. But this is just a start about the ease, the simple if condition in Python. Simple video, guys, short video. So doing more of these videos. Hope you liked it. Let me know. Thanks.